25%. You're up.
Now that looked better.
50%. G-limit disengaged. 25%. 50%. G-limit disengaged. 50%.
Oh.
Oh no!
What was that?
What happened?
No control whatsoever. You know, I didn't see that.
Oh man, Fred.
Braking. Reverse roll. You're up. G-limit disengaged.
What'd you fly?
A-10.
Oh yeah.
141.
Can't remember which one. I did jumps out of
There, I
141.
can't get that. Oh, okay.
And
A lot of opening shots.
50%.
like
My first assignment, so 93 to
25%.
96.
yeah, I was jumping at Lake Hurst.
0.
85.
Reverse roll. 25%. 0.
That way you can pull it in.
You're up. G-limit
I'll stay
disengaged.
low in the center, guys. 'Cause I'm just little.
Time remaining 3 minutes. 50%. 50%. 50%. 25, 0. 25%, 0. 25%, 0. 50%. You're up. Fifty percent.
Actually landing.
You're landing?
Yeah.
%. 25. 50%. 50%. 30 seconds.
So the battery was complaining or something?
20-0.
What all the talking was?
Brake. Full reverse. Warning. Full
He's nice and stable.
Oh, it's a nice thing. I tried flying a brick about a half hour ago. Didn't work with it. Shit.
50%.
Man, you did take off.
50%. 50%. 0.
Copy it and put it on the.
25. 50%. 25%. 50%.
And this thing has, I got the Fritz
50%. 50%.
Johnny, thanks for your help again.
No problem.
50.
Well, they changed the rules now and put a 700 feet.
Oh, that's cool.
50%.
Ah, it's not that good.
50%. 25%. 0.
I had other planes that got that and they worked, but this one's just off for some reason. It's got a little flat.
Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes. Zero. 50%. Landing flaps. 0. 25%. 0.
More water. Come on, water's in there. The water's in there too.
Thank you.
Gear up. G limit disengaged. Time remaining 3 minutes. 0. 50%.
That must be a no. It's also 80%. It's just charged. Yeah. Isn't that fine? So the lower said 57, 52, 200 knots, 600 feet.
Landing somewhere, I
You're going to
think. Yeah, a bunch of taxiways. Yeah, we landed on
50%.
It always made me as a passenger there that in addition to management, these airliners, it's supposed to be like a very 5% less slope or something, but it seems like it's a lot more than that for me to land.
Yeah, it's a pretty good downhill on 17.
Yeah, I've been in there.
50%.
Pretty sure if they hadn't passed the crossing runway, they come close to it before they ever touched down.
Landing flaps. 50. Warning 30 seconds.
On the Endicott. C7?
Yes, ma'am, we'll be clear, and 233 will be clear on the N4 E. Edward, and so we'll both be at 50.
25%. 0.